Every day, homes and schools face the risks of unwanted intrusion. But what if security could be simple, smart, and affordable? We, the students at Gbile Akanni Lagos campus, have built a do-it-yourself burglar alarm system to protect life and properties. This system detects movement instantly and triggers a loud alert, restricting intruders. This project proves that with creativity and innovation, young innovators can turn problems into powerful solutions. I am Tech in Mercy, and joining me on this project are Babajide Dawuda, a very Chuku God's treasure. KK something Chuku. Can I call you Adibayo? A very Chuku charity. These are the components we use for our localized burglar alarm. Solderless breadboard, buzzer, battery clip, 9 volts battery, light dependent resistor, switch, transistor, light emitting diode, laser lights, resistor, jumper wires, carton, and styrofoam.
So we have our battery clip here and our battery, so we can connect them to the very board so that it can supply power. Positive to the positive side and negative to the negative side. So that means that we need our jumper wires to transfer current. So there we are done with that. Then we bring our transistor. And but we also need to bring our resistor because it's very important. If the resistor is not there, then the bulb can break and stop working. So we need the resistor to reduce current. So we put them all on the same row. With that there, we also need our jumper wires. We also need our red LED, which connects using jumper wires. So this for the red LED, the light is going to go on when the burglar passes. And also a very important part of the project is our buzzer, which will make a loud sound when the burglar passes. So we also connect it where the current is flowing. So we connect our buzzer. So make sure everything is connected properly. Then we move on to making our laser.
This is the completed project. It detects whenever an intruder passes into a restricted environment and buzzes to notify people in the surrounding.
This is the project, and
We are the project team.